Welcome to The Remedy with Dr. Rani Whitfield, the upcoming podcast where medicine, music, and literacy meet. I'm your host, Dr. Rani, also known as the Hip Hop Doc. Today, I want to talk about something that we all deal with at some point in our lives. Body odor, aka bad BO. If you Google the Jerry Seinfeld episode about bad body odor, you'll get a kick out of it. Well, I did anyway. So whether you're a teen going through puberty or an adult staying active, body odor can definitely be a challenge. It's a natural part of life, but for some people, it can lead to feelings of embarrassment or anxiety, especially if others notice it. So I often get the question as a physician, like, Doc, what causes bad BO? What causes bad body odor? When we sweat, especially in areas like our armpits, bacteria break the sweat down, and that's what causes the smell. So it's not the sweat itself, it's the bacteria and the byproducts of that bacteria. Things like what you eat, how often you shower or bathe, or even certain medical conditions create body odor or make body odor stronger. Most of us will reach for antiperspirants or deodorant to help. But many of those products contain chemicals like aluminum. I'm sure you heard of aluminum, or artificial scents, other artificial ingredients. These chemicals can contact the skin, irritate the skin, block the pores, block your sweat glands, and that is not healthy or ideal for our health. That's where PhunkOff enters. P-H-U-N-K, PhunkOff. This is actually my favorite scent, Lush. It's of coconut and mandarin. This is a 4-ounce bottle and a 60-day supply. And I use personally PhunkOff every day. PhunkOff is what we call non-toxic. It's a non-toxic deodorant that helps stop odor at the source without using harmful chemicals. It's made from what we call the good-for-you ingredients, like coconut oil, aloe, essential oils. When you combine these ingredients and put them together, they fight off the bacteria that causes odor while keeping your skin healthy. It's perfect for people of all ages, from young teens just starting to use deodorant to adults looking for healthy alternatives. PhunkOff, again, P-H-U-N-K, not only covers up the smell, it prevents it, all while being gentle on the skin. And it comes in about 6 different scents: lush, bright, warm, fresh, unscented, and I forget the other scent. I'm sorry, guys. Forgive me for that. What I like about it as well is it's eco-friendly, it's cruelty-free, and again, safe for just about anyone, no matter what your skin type. I often get the question, how does PhunkOff work? Actually, it's pretty simple. It exfoliates, it eliminates and prevents the growth of bacteria, and it moisturizes the skin. We'll start with exfoliation, which rids the body of dead skin cells. That helps the antibacterial ingredients absorb more fully into the skin. PhunkOff also has a special formula that works to eliminate and prevent odor-forming bacteria. And finally, the aloe component moisturizes the skin, keeping your pH in balance. So this is just not only a great product to use that's safe for your young children and even for adults, but when you purchase PhunkOff, and I know that you're going to, you'll be supporting a mother-daughter duo and a small Black-owned business. Kristen Owens and her amazing, multi-talented daughter, Kennedy, who plays several sports and is a great student, are the co-founders of PhunkOff. They actually sponsored over 100 copies of the book, RJ Did It, the book that I wrote about my son, RJ, to promote literacy. And these books were given to young people in my hometown of Baton Rouge. This actually, guys, is my first product endorsement before the podcast was released. And by no means am I getting paid. And even if I was offered to get paid, I would have refused it, because I truly appreciate not just the hard work of both Kristen and Kennedy and the family. Cam and DJ, I got to give y'all a shout out too. I know y'all helped out a little bit. But I really can't thank them guys enough for their generous donation to one of my many passions, helping young people learn to read daily. And I'm a physician and I use this stuff. Well, fam, that's it for me today. This is my first product endorsement and hopefully won't be my last. I'm hoping that you guys will join me soon for the launch of my upcoming podcast, The Remedy with Dr. Rani Whitfield. It's the Hip Hop Doc. They call me H2D. Come on, y'all. Let's get hip hop healthy. Peace. I'm out.